Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to update and fix the ELAN 22.2.39.1 Touchpad Driver on your Windows 11 HP Pavilion Laptop. If you're having issues with your touchpad, updating the driver might just be the solution you need. Let's get started. First, let's check the current version of your touchpad driver to confirm if you need an update. Click on the Start button and go to Device Manager. Now look for mice and other pointing devices and click the arrow to expand the list. Now find ELAN touchpad or similar, then right click it and select Properties. Now go to the Driver tab and note the driver version. If it matches 22.2.39.1, then you are in the right place. Now if your driver is outdated or you're experiencing issues, let's move on to updating it. Next, we need to download the latest driver from the HP website. Open your web browser and go to support.hp.com. Now click on Software and Drivers. Now what you need to do is enter your laptop model. For example, I'll be choosing HP Pavilion and click your model number. Now look for the driver keyword. Now find the latest ELAN version touchpad driver and download it and save the file to your computer. Now navigate to your download files and locate the driver file. Double click the installer file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the driver. Once the installation is complete, restart your laptop to apply the changes. Now, if you're still experiencing issues, here are some few troubleshooting tips. If the driver isn't working properly, you can roll back to the previous version by selecting Rollback Driver in the Driver Properties windows. Or try uninstalling the driver completely and reinstalling it. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope this video helped you fix you and update your ELAN touchpad driver. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.